Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
This song about to go on.
Okay. Ooh. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man? I do a lot of YouTube videos.
I know who you are. I've been
Okay.
waiting to see you.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Mike Jones, 418 Platinums, base 15K, 390X, alternator.
Yes, sir.
Got 8 AMG batteries back there.
Okay.
All right.
What's your box? Is it 4th or 6th order tuning on it?
6 order. Not exactly sure about the tuning. He just redid it the other day.
It's okay. Where's the rear port? The other port in the back?
We don't have one.
So it's 4th order. Okay.
Yeah, 4th.
Got it. All right, 4th order. It's all good, man. Very nice. Looks really good. And you still have your head, what is it called? This part.
Sunroof.
Sunroof, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, I had a brain fart for a minute.
Oh, shit, I have it all the time.
It's all good. I see the amp too? Amp to the back? Awesome. Nice doors. Really heavy, sturdy door, man. Wow. This opens too for a picture, if that's okay. Nice. Looks really good. Thank you very much. All right, very nice, man. Yeah, I love another demo song. It's a good one.
Go on!
Really good. Man went too, man. No real fall off. Really nice.
This our truck right here next to us too.
Okay, I'll get a demo of that too. Thank you very much. What was your name?
Mike.
Mike, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.